Are you tired of dealing with cluttered and disorganized refrigerators, cabinets, and pantries? If you're looking for a simple and effective solution to keep your beverages and canned goods neat and easily accessible, the Simplehouseware can dispense refrigerator organizer storage is here to save the day. This set of 2 clear storage bins is designed to bring order to your kitchen and make your life more convenient. With its spacious capacity, each bin can store up to 9 standard 12-oz soda or canned beverages. Imagine the joy of having all your favorite drinks neatly lined up and easily visible in your fridge, eliminating the frustration of searching for them among other items. One of the standout features of these organizers is their clear material, allowing you to see at a glance what items are stored inside. No more guessing games or having to open every bin to find what you need. This transparent design ensures that you can quickly grab the drink you want, even when you're in a hurry. Durability and sturdiness are essential qualities in any organizer, and the Simplehouseware can dispense refrigerator organizer storage does not disappoint. Crafted from unbreakable material, these bins are built to withstand everyday use without cracks or breaks, ensuring long-lasting performance. The outer dimensions of each bin measure 14 inches in length, 5.75 inches in width, and 3.5 inches in height. This compact size makes them versatile and suitable for various storage needs. They fit perfectly on fridge shelves, in cabinets, pantries, and other tight spaces where you need to maximize storage efficiency. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a well-organized kitchen with these dispenser storage bins. They bring order and tidiness to your food and beverage storage, making it easier for you to locate and access your favorite drinks. Plus, they add a touch of clarity and cleanliness to your kitchen, giving it a polished look. Not only are these organizers practical and functional, but they are also a great value for money. The set of 2 provides you with ample storage space for your beverages, all at an affordable price. It's a small investment that will make a significant difference in your daily life. Whether you have a large family or simply love keeping your fridge organized, the Simplehouseware can dispense refrigerator organizer storage is a must-have addition to your kitchen essentials. Simplify your life and keep your kitchen in order with these efficient and stylish storage bins.